What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano, guys. ADA, currently we're sitting at 224. We're down about 0.35% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 71.4 billion. 24-hour volume is 3.31 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto going out, my favorite app for investing. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we had our double bottom as well as our descending broadening channel, and we broke out. We came very, very close to reaching our technical target. And as you can see here, we started to roll over a little bit. We're back underneath the EMAs. So if we do fall back down into this pattern here, do target $2.05 as support. There is a larger pattern that I wanted to make you guys aware of. As you can see here, we're in a bit of a descending channel, and we've come up and we've gotten rejected not only by this line of resistance, but by the 20 EMA as well. So if we do see that roll over here, we can come back down to these levels of support, 205, possibly create a double bottom once again, or $1.89. And then we have a swing low right around the golden ratio at $1.73 for ADA. As you can see, our divergence, our bearish divergence on the daily has fully played out. We've come all the way down to oversold. So I think ADA is coming down to create a strong level of support here before seeing continuation back to the upside and continuation on this bull run. If we look at ADA on the weekly, you can see if we do come down to 189, if Bitcoin here were to come down to retest this support zone, if we come up and we get rejected, or we're to come down to our technical target, that's when I think we could see ADA come back down to this level of support, and it lines up with the 20 EMA here on the weekly. Now, if Bitcoin does break out here of our reversal pattern and starts heading up to 50K, your next levels of resistance for ADA are up here at about 239. You can see the support in this area. We have 271 support here as well. And then ADA would be in price discovery here. You have the 1.272 extension up at 318. If we do break out of this channel here, basically your target would be the top of the channel, which is your all-time high, up at about $3.05 for ADA. Now, if we do roll over here, we come back down to 189. That will create a double bottom here, and I'll drop in your neckline. If this pattern were to play out, we come up, we break the neckline. That can bring ADA all the way back up here to almost the previous all-time high, which is up at $3.05. So if we do roll, keep an eye on $1.89 as a level of support, or $2.05, create that double bottom before we see that explosion back to the upside. I really do think ADA is just coming back to create a strong level of support. As you can see on the weekly, we got overextended. We've come back to the 20 EMA. We're creating that level of support, and we're looking for continuation back to the upside, in my opinion. All right, guys, that's it for ADA. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, posting analytics. Great way to stay ahead of the game. If you want to trade ADA, check out Bybit. They're currently giving away free crypto. You get up to $600 in bonuses. My favorite platform for leverage trading. They also have spot trading available. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.